Drowning in last-minute data requests from business teams that hijack every sprint? camelAI answers those questions instantly. Hi, I'm Ileana, CEO of camelAI. Our customers are fast-growing companies with lots of data, but not enough analysts. Writing SQL every time Karen from marketing has a question is slow and painful. camelAI connects directly to your database, runs SQL over your database or file upload, and returns insights instantly. Let's see it in action. I'll start by asking a question: which were our top 5 best-selling products in the last quarter? camelAI is transparent. Every query and assumption made is shared with you. The answers are instant and fully interactive, so no team needs to operate off of old data again. Any data person knows answers usually spark more questions, so let's go a little deeper. Of the top 5 products, which saw the largest month-over-month sales increase? And we have our answer. Camel can handle deeper, open-ended questions. Let's try a vibe question. Based off of these recent sales trends, which product would you double down on for the next quarter? You can see it's planning, and it seems like raclette based off of growth and sales. It shows the SQL it wrote and all of the assumptions it's made, so you can audit every step. Any artifact can be pinned to a live dashboard. Charts auto-refresh, so numbers are always live. camelAI runs where you need it. You can configure Camel so that no data leaves your environment. With private link-ready connections, RBAC, and audit logs, your data stays secure. Ready to chat with your data? Get started for free at camelai.com.